আশ্বিনের শারদ প্রাতে বেজে উঠেছে আলোকমঞ্জিত ধরণীর বহিরাকাশে অন্তরিত মেঘমালা প্রকৃতির অন্তরাকাশে
আলোর বেলু মাতলো যে
নিবেদিতম ওম ইমা আপো ময়া ভক্তা
The 10 days of Durga Puja are the greatest festival celebrated in Bengal. There is a 4-day holiday in the state and everything else comes to a complete halt. The people are fully and deeply immersed in the adoration of Durga, as well as the social events which blossom around the celebrations. Durga Puja is also widely celebrated in Tripura, Assam, Jharkhand and Odisha. In Kolkata alone, more than 2,000 pandals or platforms on which the image of Durga is made and adored are created. It is a great festival where each night hundreds of thousands of people go from one pandal to another. Friends and family come together for the occasions. There is much shopping. Roads are overcrowded, traffic comes to a standstill. Yet everyone is happy. That is the spirit of Durga Puja.
Actually, Durga to Bengalis is Uma. Durga is a gorgeous Devi, but Uma is a next door girl. There was a system that daughters used to come with son-in-law and children. As there is a holidays, Bengali people, particularly rural people, used to get similarity of coming home of Durga and coming home of their own daughter. That is very nice to see this Matri Shakti in two forms. One is daughter form, who is humble, who is soft, and Devi Durga, who is gorgeous, powerful. These two are intermingled in one goddess, that is Devi Durga.
Deities are often personifications of the qualities within us. We look upon them, we meditate upon them, we adore them in order to awaken those fine qualities within us, to lead us on the path towards the eternal truth, towards the dispelling of the veils of Maya or illusion. Durga Puja has been practiced in Bengal since the medieval period. It was during the 18th century, however, that the worship of Durga became very popular among the landed elite. Raja Nabokrishna Dev of Shobha Bajar is believed to be the first who initiated an elaborate puja at his residence. The tradition of many of these old pujas continues till today. Today, the culture of Durga Puja has shifted from the princely houses to Sarbojanin or community pujas. The first such puja was held in Guptipada in Kolkata. It was called Baro Wari, meaning of 12 friends.
When I was a child, my feeling was Durga Puja means new clothes, different type of food and have fun, that's all. But now as a daughter-in-law, lots and lots of responsibility here. Personally, Durga Puja means that Ma is coming, and that I have to do my best for Ma. For that, for her, early in the morning, we take our bath. We wear, you're seeing this sari, we wear silk, pure silk sari. This is Gorod, we say. And we do a lot of different kinds of fruits we give to Ma.
Today is Ashtami Puja. Ashtami Puja has got some significance, and today we celebrate the Kumari Pujas. Kumari Puja, actually Devi is being worshipped in the form of little girls are there, 5 or 6 little girls. They are being worshipped.
This is on the topic of how the weapons were given to Ma Durga and she was made by the other gods.
Music is an integral part of the cultural life of a Bengali. Thus, there is a great tradition of music which is associated with Durga Puja. It is called Pujor Gan.
Like what we understand by Pujor Gan is not only devotional songs, but also those songs which have been released before the Durga Pujas. That includes modern songs, folk songs, devotional songs. It's got a very wide range.
Today is Dashami, the last day of Durga Puja. In the evening, she will be immersed in the water, and the people of Kolkata will be a little sad. They will wait for another 360 days for Durga to come back into their homes. Amidst all the hustle and bustle and the normal commercial activity of the mundane world, it is such things which give the magic to life. It is these things which take us beyond, which take us to a world of feelings. It is these things which perhaps make life worth the living. On Vijay Dashmi, the 10th day of victory, Durga is taken in a procession to be immersed in the water, which will take her away. There are loud chants of "Glory to Mother Durga," and "It will happen again next year." She is cast into the waters, which is symbolic of her departure to her home with her husband in the Himalayas. This is a very passionate celebration of the days when she was with the people. Everyone looks to the next year when she will come again.